How to add Google reviews to Wix website. Open your browser on your PC. Search for elfsight.com in the browser. If you don't have an account yet, sign up. Hover your mouse over widgets at the top. Click on Google Reviews from the drop-down. Scroll down to see different templates. For this example, select the carousel widget template by clicking on it, then click on Continue with this template. In the text box, type your business name and address. If you don't have a physical address, use your Google Place ID. Click on Search. Click on your business from the search results. You can edit the layout, header, review, style, or settings. For this example, we'll use the default settings. Click on Add to Website for free to continue. Click on Publish in the upper right corner. After publishing, click on Install. Click on Copy Code to copy the widget code. Go to your Wix dashboard and click on Edit Site in the upper right corner. Navigate to the page where you want to place the widget. Click on the Add Element icon in the upper left corner. Hover over Embed Code and click on Embed HTML. Paste the code you copied earlier into the box and click on Update. Close the HTML settings box. Drag the sides of the widget to adjust its size as you like. Click on Preview in the upper right corner to see how your website looks with the new widget. And there you have it. You've successfully added Google reviews to your Wix website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.